So our topic for today it's all about biopiracy and intellectual property rights. So let me give you a brief discussion about this. Did you know that some companies take plants and traditional remedies from indigenous people, turn them into products, and profit without giving credit or compensation? This act is called biopiracy, which is the unauthorized use of biological resources or traditional knowledge. Let me give you one example. For example, the neem tree in India, long used as medicine by local communities, was patented by a company without acknowledging its origin. So, to address this, intellectual property rights exists to illegally protect creators and communities, ensuring fair recognition and benefits. However, when IPR is used to claim ownership of indigenous knowledge without consent, it becomes unethical and unjust. Biopiracy and the IPR affect biodiversity, sustainability, ethic, justice, and technological responsibility, which are all vital for a healthy society.
Good day, everyone. This is Gerald Amban Contreras, and today I will be talking about biodiversity and sustainability. Biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms. Each species plays a role in keeping ecosystem balance. For example, medical plants like papaya leaves for dengue treatment are part of the local knowledge. When companies patent these plans without consent, it reduces access for the community. This is unsustainable because future generation may lose these important resources. Protecting biodiversity ensures sustainability and healthy environment for everyone. Thank you.
Biopiracy examples and impact. Biopiracy happens when companies or researchers claim ownership over natural resources or traditional knowledge. For example, a pharmaceutical company once patented a medicinal plant used by indigenous people for centuries. The community received no recognition or benefits. This is unethical and unjust because it exploits knowledge that belongs to the community. Biopiracy harms both people and biodiversity, which affects the overall health of society.
So, intellectual property or IPR. Intellectual property rights are laws that protect inventions and discoveries. They encourage innovation. However, if IPR is applied without consent, it can exploit communities and natural resources. Ethical IPR use requires prior informed consent, fair compensation, and recognition. This ensures that innovations benefit society while protecting ethics and justice.
Ethically, biopiracy is wrong. Indigenous communities deserve credit and compensation for their knowledge. Justice is also important. For example, if a community develops a traditional remedy, it is unfair for companies to profit without sharing benefits. Protecting ethics and justice supports a healthy society and ensures resources are used fairly.
Technological responsibility. Technology can help study and natural resources, but it comes with responsibility. Gene editing, bioprospecting, and other innovations must be applied ethically. For instance, researchers can study plant properties in the lab without taking the plants from the community. Responsible technology protects biodiversity, respects communities, and ensures that innovations benefit society. Thank you.
A healthy society is one where biodiversity is preserved, resources are used fairly, and communities are respected. Raising awareness about biopiracy and IPR helps people protect their knowledge and environment. Collaboration between scientists and communities ensures that sustainability, ethics, justice, and technological responsibility all work together to create a healthy and fair society.
By balancing innovation, ethics, justice, sustainability, and technological responsibility, we can protect biodiversity and build a healthy society. That's all.